Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question that is 1482, minimum number of days to make m buckets, and then this will be having an integer at a bloom day and an integer m and an integer k. Okay, and we want to make m bouquets. To make a bouquet, we need to use k adjacent flowers from the garden. Okay, and the garden consists of n flowers, and the ith flower will be the bloom in will bloom in the bloom day I, and then it can be used in exactly one bouquet, and we have to return the minimum number of days we need to wait to be able to make m bouquets from the garden. If it is impossible to make m bouquets, we have to return. Okay, for example, we are having we need to make three bouquets and each bouquet needs to consist of only one flower. Okay, so what we can do is we can pick up the flower that will bloom on one day, that will make up our as first bouquet, and then we can pick up the flower that will bloom on second day, that will on day two. Okay, let's say after 2 days, so that will form our second bouquet, and then we can pick up the flower that will bloom after 3 days. So that will form our third bouquet. Okay, so the minimum number of days required are three. But in the next case, we see we need to make m bouquets, and each bouquet should have k flowers. So but the total number of flowers we are having are just five. So this it is not possible to make uh, m bouquets with k flowers. So we have to return -1. Okay, and also when we are having let's say bloom, we need to make m bouquets, that is two bouquets, and each bouquet should have three flowers. So our answer comes out to be 12. Why? Because we'll firstly be picking this 7 7, like after 7 days, which will be have the flowers that will be bloomed are these and then these. Okay, but we cannot pick this seven and the last two sevens because we need three adjacent flowers. So what we can do is we'll be picking up this, and then we'll be either picking up this like row, or this pair, this tuple, and then or we can take it this. So the minimum number of days required comes out to be 12. Okay, so this is a proper binary set question, and I've told you that if okay, sorry, if m into k will be greater than the l- like the number of flowers, that is bloom day dot length, so it is not possible in any way that we can form bouquets, so we have to return -1. Okay, and then we'll be setting our boundaries that and start, let's say, on the day 0, and my I'm just mentioning my end with the minimum value integer dot min underscore value. Okay, and then we'll be updating our end with the maximum value in the bloom area, bloom, because that will be the maximum possible answer. Okay, for end bloom and bloom day, what I'll be doing is I'll be updating my end will be equal to maximum of end comma bloom. Okay, and then I'll be having answer variable that will be equal to -1 initially. Then while my start is less than or equal to end. Then what I'll be doing is I'll be calculating the mid, that will be equal to start plus end by, or I can just use left shift operator by 1. So that this will basically divide by 2, and then we'll be saying that if it is possible on this particular day, basically start and end are the starting day and the end day, like which is the maximum number possible. So I'll be saying that if at any middle day it is possible to generate m bouquets or not, that will be depending on answer. Okay, and let's have a function if find bouquets. So this will be giving me the number of bouquets. If find bouquets, I'll be passing here mid, my bloom array, bloom day, and my k. So if this is greater than or equal to m, that is on that particular day we are able to make at least m bouquets. Okay, so in this case I'll be updating my answer as mid, and then I'll be decreasing my search space from, yeah, in the fourth case I'll be decreasing my search space, but I'll be bringing my end would be equal to mid -1. Okay, else my start will be equal to mid plus 1, and at the end I'll just have to return my answer variable. Okay, and now let's write the function private int find bouquets QETS will be having int value and bloom day array and my int k. Okay, so for this, as I've already told you, we need at least k continuous flowers to make a like make it a bloom. to make it a bouquet. So for that we'll be having, let's have current variable, like how many current we are having, and the number of bouquets, bouquets, so that's 0. Then we'll be traversing the array for int I equal to 0, I less than okay, bloom day dot length I plus plus. Okay. Then what I'll be saying that if my bloom day of I is less than or equal to, oh, let's just change it to day instead. Okay, if it is less than or equal to day, in that case I'll be getting my current plus plus, and if at any point my current becomes k, that means I affect k, continuous large, I'll be updating my bouquets plus plus, and I'll be setting my current equal to 0. Else, if this is not the case, at any point we cannot pick some k at the start. In that case, I'll be having my current equal to 0 again. Yeah, and at the end, I need to return the number of bouquets. Okay, now let's give it a run. Yeah, and it's accepted. Now let's submit it. Okay, yeah, and gets accepted. Okay, so this was it. Thank you for watching.